Jhal amuri is a popular street food snack from India. It is made with puffed rice, vegetables, spices and chutneys. Jhal amuri is very popular in Kolkata, West Bengal. This light and refreshing snack is perfect for a quick bite or a light meal. The name Jhal amuri comes from the Bengali words jhal, meaning spicy, and muri, meaning puffed rice. The combination of crunchy puffed rice, tangy chutneys and spicy chilies creates a flavor explosion that is simply irresistible. Jhal amuri is a beloved snack in India and is often enjoyed at any time of day. Whether you're looking for a quick snack on the go or a tasty treat to enjoy with friends, Jhal amuri is sure to satisfy your taste buds. The beauty of Jhal amuri lies in its simplicity and the use of fresh ingredients. Here are the essential components. Puffed rice muri. The star ingredient, puffed rice, provides a satisfying crunch. You can find puffed rice in most Indian grocery stores. Vegetables, onions, tomatoes, and cucumbers are commonly used. Finely chop the vegetables for the best texture. Spices. A blend of spices adds depth and complexity to Jhal amuri. Common spices include turmeric powder, red chili powder, and cumin powder. Chutneys. Sweet and tangy chutneys add bursts of flavor. Tamarind chutney and mint coriander chutney are popular choices. Making Jhal amuri is easy and requires no cooking. Simply follow these steps. 1. In a large bowl, combine the puffed rice, chopped vegetables, and spices. 2. Drizzle the chutneys over the mixture. 3. Gently mix all the ingredients together, ensuring the puffed rice doesn't break. 4. Taste and adjust the seasonings as needed. Add more spice, chutney, or a squeeze of lime juice to your preference. Jhal amuri is best served immediately after mixing to maintain its crunchy texture. Serve Jhal amuri in individual bowls or paper cones for a fun and portable snack. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves for an extra burst of flavor and visual appeal. Enjoy Jhal amuri on its own or pair it with a cup of hot chai for a satisfying snack or light meal.